How much money can you make driving Uber Black? And is it worth it to fork out that extra cash for a more expensive vehicle, but you're gonna be making 3 to 4 times as much? So we're gonna dive in to Uber Black earnings, driving 8 weeks on Uber Black, and actually show you some real screenshots and data. So before we do jump in though, if you are looking for a new way to make money, there is an incredible opportunity to make money for anybody. You watching this, you can sign up as long as you live in the US to make money on TikTok. TikTok is usually a way in the past where you've had to, have millions of followers, millions of views. I've made money with millions of followers and millions of views, but now they recently opened it up where you need 0 followers to start making money on TikTok through something called TikTok Shop. So you can actually create your own shop, selling your own products, or you can create your own page promoting other people's products and earn commissions. And it's really, really easy to do. You just need to set it up and start making money with it. And I have a link below, a tutorial on how to set it all up in my program. So I will, in that program, I actually show you both ways, the create your own shop and create your own page promoting other people's products. I actually do both. I make money every single day with both of those ways. So, and I actually have multiple pages set up. And again, this is something that you don't need any experience. You make 10-second little videos. They're quick, they're short, they're fun. Maybe if you have an hour extra per day, I would say that's plenty of time. So click the link below. There's a 30-day free trial right now, which will be ending pretty soon. I'll leave it up for a little bit just to get people in the door, and then I'll be closing it. But just to show you guys little screenshots of some of my payments from TikTok, just so you guys know, TikTok sent you 4,000. This is what you'll get if you link it up to your PayPal. I just do PayPal because I can just then transfer it right over to my bank, and it's just like cash. There's $7,000, $4,000, $14,000 even. So TikTok's really easy to make money, and it's a new program, TikTok Shop, and I'm loving it so far. So check those links out. Otherwise, let's dive into Uber Black income, all right? I'm excited for this one because this is a fun topic, and typically gets a lot of traction because a lot of people are interested in, making money. That's what it's all about. So shout out to Kushnud Numanov. I hope I said that correctly. Go check out his page. But he's an Uber Black driver doing 86 online hours. Let's take a look into his video.
Hey, what's up guys? It's been a while since I made a video about Uber Black earnings. As myself, I didn't work as much, but I had a driver who was driving basically full-time, I would say, around 10 to 12 hours a day. And he drove this car for 2
Which, by the way, I do not ever recommend doing 10 to 12 hours a day. Please get your rest. Please get your sleep, okay?
months. And I wanted to talk with you guys about how much he earned overall, week by week, during that 2 months. I'm pretty sure it will be interesting because many people were telling me that you don't put enough hours, just drive for 10, 12 hours a day. I couldn't do it myself, but the driver who was driving my car, he actually did. And here are the numbers. So the first week...
So it looks like he rented out his car to somebody to drive Uber. And look at this. In one single week, doing 63 hours, 23 active hours. So he was actually waiting. So you're going to see the online hours, it's a lot. But this is a great opportunity to do this job and also have a side hustle while you're waiting, like TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop, I think, is the perfect addition into doing it on the side while you're doing Uber, because if you have wait time, do it in between your rides. You can make a video in 5 minutes, 2-3 minutes in between a ride and make money. You could actually, and if you get a viral video, you can make like 5,000 bucks off one single video. But anyways, you see he's waiting a lot, 63 online hours, but only 24 active. So he actually waited for 40 hours in a week. His full-time job was waiting. Some people work, that's crazy. Some people work 40 hours a week. This guy waited for 40 hours a week for rides. But anyways, 63 online hours, Wednesday through Sunday. So he took off Monday to Tuesday. Started off the week a little slow. And then Wednesday he was like, I'll go out for a little bit. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is when he made his big bucks. But yeah, those are the busier days anyway. Pretty low tips, I would have to say. He only made $100 in tips, but the net fare, $17.92. But you know what they say, rich people do not tip. Broke people tip, which is, if you do Uber X, you're gonna get more tips. But Uber Black, you get less tips because rich people do not tip.
He was online around 64 hours. Active time was around 25 hours. He made 47 trips overall. And he earned $1,893 with Uber. Of course, I don't have any information about his Lyft earnings, but with Uber, he made almost $1,900. And the next week, he was online over 87 hours.
But look at that. The wait time went up even more. That means 86 online versus 30 active. So he was waiting for 56 hours for rides. He was online for 86 hours, but he only gave rides for 30. Again, this is why, you know, sign up guys for TikTok Shop. You can see how to make money on TikTok Shop while you're waiting in between rides. But look at that, almost $2,000. But this time he worked every single day of the week. And on Wednesday and Thursday, he had little short days. Probably only worked at night, I'm assuming.
Active time was 31 hours. He made 60 trips. Can you just imagine 60 trips? And overall, he made
60 trips in 7 days is not that much, bro.
$1,987. The best day that he had, it was Sunday. He made $424. But he did 60 trips and being online 87 hours. This is nuts. And this is not good earnings. Being online almost 90 hours.
Yeah, but you can work another job, bro. Like part-time. Work another job in between. Like, yeah, you're online 86 hours, but you could literally be on your laptop waiting for rides. Maybe you have a sales job or a customer service job in between. Again, I'm more about making money on social media. Like if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, you could be working on that in between your rides. Totally. You can set up a hotspot, have your laptop, get a little laptop stand for your car. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but like laptop stand for car. You can literally set this up, something like this, and it hooks up to your steering wheel, and you can put your laptop up here, put your phone over here, and you know, obviously still use your cup holder, everything. Or you can set it up like, I mean, I probably wouldn't sit in the back seat, but like, you know, there's ways to be efficient while you're waiting, because you don't want to just sit here waiting, scrolling on Facebook. You want to be working while you're waiting. That way you can imagine you make 2,000 bucks on Uber Black waiting, and then another 2,000 bucks on TikTok Shop. You're making $4,000 a week all of a sudden. That's life-changing money.
This is basically double shift. This is unbelievable. And here's another black car who is picking up another passenger. And he doesn't have any TCP, anything. Unbelievable. How that's possible? I'm here waiting for a ride, and I have my Uber app on, but here's another black that came and picked.
See, this guy's smart. He's actually filming a video while he's waiting, so he's actually making money, because I'm sure on this video, it's got 43,000 views. He probably made, I'm guessing, around $500 just on the views on this video. And he also has a Patreon, so he's funneling people into his Patreon page. He has a Telegram, open an LLC for free. I don't know, he probably gets affiliate earnings from this. Busy. Uber Black Essentials. Yeah, I mean, he's running affiliate links down here. So it's actually pretty interesting, guys, because he's doing exactly what you should be doing, which is working in between while you're waiting.
Picked up with BMW.
Because why would you want to be driving around Uber X all day making the same amount of money, whereas you could do Uber Black and you're waiting, but you could be working on, you know, TikTok Shop or whatever, or something else. And I just want to show you guys, like, if you want to get maybe like Uber Black requirements, I'm just gonna do Los Angeles, but obviously look it up for your town. Uber Black vehicle Oh, here, oh no, that's not even their website. Uber Black vehicle requirements. Eligible cars, here we go. Eligible vehicles, oh, I'm in Orange County, so anyways. Yeah, like let's say you wanted to get a Mercedes. You need, for black, it only has to be a 2017 E-Class. I thought the C-Classes were. Maybe let's do like, can any Lexus, an LS, Lexus LX, 2017 at least. So the cars need to be at least 7 years old only, guys. You don't want to buy a brand new car to do Uber Black when you don't need to. Let's look up LX. That's the SUV one. Maybe we'll do LS. 2017 Lexus LS. Yeah, there's cars on there for $14,000. Cars on there for $15,000. I mean, there's plenty of cars on there. If you do buy used ones, like do not buy a brand new car to do Uber Black. Buy one that's already 4 or 5 years old, 6 years old. They still qualify. They're still good. Check your vehicle requirements, and you could still be making really good money. So anyways, let me know your thoughts with this one. Again, if you want to make money on TikTok Shop, check out my program below, guys. You do not need any followers. You do not need any experience. You can start making 4 or 5 grand a month, 7,000 bucks a month, 4,000 bucks a month, 14,000 bucks a month. All you got to do is sign up for my program, watch the tutorials, join the group chat, introduce yourself, and I will be helping you in there. We have an awesome community. You won't regret it. And if you don't like it, you can cancel it because there's a 30-day free trial. So you could literally sign up and on the 29th day, cancel it if you want. I think you'll like it though, but I'm just saying there's no risk or obligation. If you don't want to stay, you know, you don't have to. And signing up for TikTok Shop, there's no fees either. So theoretically, the first 30 days is like completely free. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll talk soon.